Hello friends, today I am going to tell you the summary of The Richest Man in Babylon book. It is the famous book written by George S. Clason, and in this book the writer tells the 5 secrets how to become rich. In our daily life we all are suffering from our money management, and most of the people are earning good amount of money, even they are not able to manage their expenses, and they are not able to increase their earnings and amount of money. So the writer tells the 5 secrets how to overcome from this type of problem and how to manage your own money. In that book, writer firstly I would like to define Babylon. Babylon is a city of America before 2500 years. It is the richest city in that time. There was a person of Babylon. His name was Urgad. He was the richest person of Babylon. So one day his friends come to him and ask that, Urgad, we were friends in past and we started our journey with all together. We studied in same college, but now we are not rich and you are rich enough. You are living a luxury life and spending a lot of money. Even your income is increasing day by day. On the other hand, we are hardly to manage our expenses and we are hardly to increase our income. So could you please tell us the secrets behind it? Then Arkat told to his friend, uh, from my experience and knowledge, I would like to tell you the 5 secrets to become a rich. Then he told the first secret to his friend. It was that put your money on yourself, like invest your money yourself. It was the first point given by Arcad. It means Arcad says that whatever you are earning starts 1 by 10% saving of it. When you save 1 by 10 part of your earning, so automatically it will increase gradually, and in future it will help you a lot. Moreover, he says that don't think never don't think in future you will start saving from the first day when you start earning. So starts your saving as well. Most of the people thinks that today we are earning 20,000 rupees and now we are not able to manage our excesses, but in future when we start earning 50,000 we will start our saving. So Argat says that this is the wrong mentality. If you really want to become rich, so start saving from the first day of your earning. Whatever your income is, it doesn't matter. In the second point, Arcad says to his friends, like, manage your expenses and save from useless expenses. Arcad defined it that, guys, you have to understand the difference between need and desire. You are earning a good amount of money or less amount of money, it doesn't matter. If you are able to create a difference between your need and desire, so you will be able to make a proper planning to fulfill your needs, and your desires can't be fulfilled in initial phase. So you have to make a proper planning of your investment, and you have to stop yourself from useless expenses. When you will do this, so automatically you will be able to save more and more money, and the expenses which is useless on a daily basis will be stopped. And the third point, Arcad says that invest, save and invest. Only saving is not will make you rich. No, only saving is not a thing which will make you rich. Arcad says to his friend, with saving you have to invest a money as well. As like Argat says that make your money your slave and feed it as your child in initial phase. When you will feed it, so automatically in future your money will earn for you. He take an example, like, if you are investing a coin of gold, so after some time it will create a coins of silvers for you. It means automatically your earnings is increasing. When your earnings increasing, so your income will be increased and you will follow the path to become rich in your life. Then Arcot says that many people wants to become rich, and they know, if we invest our money, so we will become rich. During your investment, you have to take some precautions. Take advice only of knowledgeable person, and which is intelligent enough in their field. When you will do this, so you will apply their efforts and knowledge for your profit, and starts your earnings and income as well. Arcot says that it will take some time as well. You have to keep patience. When you are feeding your child, what is the result outcome? In future, he will take care of you. So money will do the same thing. If you are saving it continuously and investing it continuously, so in future it will give a result in your future, in your favor. Otherwise, if you be a panic and take irrelevant decisions, so it will not work in your favor. This is the third point given by Arcot. Point was that in savings and investment. In fourth point, Arcot says that you have to protect your assets. In your protect your assets, Arcot says that earning a money is not only the things which is enough to become rich. How will you manage it? This is also a thing. So make a proper planning and follow it. As well as during investment, don't be greedy. You have to understand that I nothing will happen overnight. All the things will take time, and you have minimum, you have to protect your principal amount during your investment and continuous basis. If you are able to protect your amount, whatever you have, so definitely it will not go in negative, and continuously you will starts growing. This is the fourth point: protect your money, given by Arcot. And fifth point is the most important point given by Arcot, is that after following the 4 point, you have to increase the ability to earn money. Many person are doing these four things, but during four things they have to do one more thing: increase your money, increase your ability to earn money. When you will increase your ability on the basis of your knowledge, on the basis of your experience and skills, so automatically your second income, your side incomes will be start, and it will take some time. So you have to keep patience as well and continuously work on it. After telling the five truths, after some time, Arcot is getting old. Then one day he was hospitalized. Call his son. Now, my son, I'm getting old. Now I would like to give my responsibilities and capability assets to you. But firstly, you have to prove that you are capable to take it. Then his son says that, yes, father, I'll prove it. Then Arcot gave him a bag of gold which is totally full, and in other hand he gave him a letter on which he has written five rules of gold. Then he has gone to city. His son name was Nomasir. Nomasir has gone to city, and he was trying to increase his money. Like, he talked to some people. They says that you can buy this horse. It has never lost the race. If he win the race, so you will earn a good amount of money. He bought this horse, and but for unfortunately the horse was not able to win the race, and he was in loss now. Then other things is described in this book, is that the Nomasir bought a shop, and by a old man. And he thinks that I will run a shop, but he don't have any experience and knowledge to run it. Then he also facing the losses from this investment. After some time, one day he was nervous, and he was feeling that, yeah, what to do and what not to do. Then he thinks to read five rules of gold, which is given by his father. After reading the rule, he understand his mistake. He realized that if I read five rules before my two investment, which I have done earlier, so I would not face this type of problem. Then he starts taking decision in positive. He met a merchant and asked him. He told that we will buy some horses from another city, and after some days the protected walls of the king's palace is going constructed. He needs some horses. in future he will buy, so we will earn a good amount of profit. If we don't, so we can sell the horses in market and will earn good amount of profit as well. So in this in this task they have done it and earn a good amount of money. And inside hand, after reading the 5 rules of gold, Arcad started many other businesses and follow the 4 initial rules which I have told you, like saving 1 by 10 part, manage your expenses, as well as saving and investment, protect your assets, money, and ability to earn, increase the ability to earn. After following the 5 points, he became so rich. Then he decided to meet with his father. He come back to meet with his father and give him a full of bag, a bag which is full of gold, and then said that, father, this is the bag which you gave to me. Then additionally he gave 2 more bag, they it full of gold, and says that it is the gold because you gave me a letter. On the return of letter, I am giving you a bags of gold. Then he says that he told the whole story to his father. Then his father was happy by the performance of Nomasir and understood that he has he is capable to take the charges of him. Then he was happy with his son. Then one day the king of Babylon was discussing with his ministers why people are not able to arrange their money and going their decreasing their lifestyle. So his one minister suggest him, sir, we should take help from Arcad, and he will tell the truths, he will tell the secrets to the people. And the king requested to Arcad to tell the secrets. Then Arcad accepted the proposal and invite come in the come in come near to king. And then he most of the people were gathered there in the presence of king. He tell the secrets, and all the people starts growing rich of Babylon. And there, this is the reason the city of Babylon become the richest city in their time period, and all are the people were happy. If you guys also want to become rich in your life, so you can apply the 5 rules in your life as well. And if you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.